big thing is when you add the water, add a little bit, stir it up. You can always add more. What you want to do is you'll want to have it at about the consistency of what I say is kind of like when you make homemade ice cream. So just a little bit of water to start with, and then you want to just make sure that you're getting enough water in there that you're going to get all of that, all of the elastomers in there wet, so it'll go ahead and hold it together. It's still a little dry, so I'm going to add just a little bit more. And really, this is about the consistency that you're going to want it, because this way it's not dry, and it'll go ahead and still hold the form when you're going ahead and shaping it by hand. Do make sure that you clear out your nozzle after each use. Hold it upside down and pump it a couple of times to clear it out, and then wipe off the nozzle.